So here we are at a big box store or Home Depot, and here are some Scott's Turf Builder grass seed. This one is for tall fescue lawns. So we'll just flip this bag over. We'll look right here at the back. Perfect. There's a few types of fescue. So 16% dynamic, 14% kissel fescue, another type of tall fescue, but right here at the bottom, 2% of Kentucky bluegrass. We don't want that. Kentucky bluegrass is terrible. It's not very hard to get rid of outside of fescue. It's not hard to get rid of. It's just an eyesore. It's very easy to see. So Scott's Turf Builder, just the first one we picked up and flipped around and looked at. Let's look at Kentucky 31 tall fescue. Let's see what that one contains. So this one isn't that bad, I guess. It does have 45% tall fescue. But it has 3.5% of other crop seed. So just some other random seed, 3% of it at least, is just something. We don't know what. It doesn't even tell us. Oh, actually, yes, it does. So down here, noxious weed seed. So could be any one of those, right? In Arkansas, this seed may contain up to 0.10% of ryegrass. So, maybe we're close enough to Arkansas that they have some ryegrass in here, maybe not. Regardless, not what you're wanting to use in fescue. Next bag, triple coated seed protection. We'll just go back over here. Okay, so this one's a little bit better. 3 types of fescue, all with 80% germination. Ours did have 90%. And then just 1.5% of other crop seed. So this one says, that one actually doesn't tell us at all what the other seed is. So as you can see, just 3 bags there that we've turned around. We can look at this one. Let's see what this one is. Fast growing turf. So this one is all ryegrass. No one likes rye. You don't want rye. You can overseed with rye if you'd like during the fall. However, it's all going to die out as soon as it hits around 85 to 90 degrees. So it may be good for the fall, but it's going to be a waste of about $20 in 3 or 4 months down the line. Here we are with some of the fescue that we put down for our clients. So as it says on the bag, just 5-star turf type tall fescue blend. So we actually have our statement of analysis, or pretty much ingredient list of what's in our seed. So it's going to be 23% of a crossfire tall fescue, foxhound tall fescue, hound dog tall fescue, rising moon tall fescue, and Fayette tall fescue. Obviously those are all fescues. It's just different varieties of fescue, but it's all still fescue seed.